Today we're going to be taking a look at the Supermax 1938 drum sander. Here's the Supermax 1938 drum sander. It's called the 1938 because it does have a 19-inch sanding drum, and it is open-ended here on the end, so you can sand items up to 38 inches. All you have to do is sand half of it, flip it back around, feed it through the other way, and the entire piece can get sanded. A few of the main features that really make this drum sander stand out is efficiency in your shop and dust collection. Not only are you going to be able to sand your items a lot quicker, the dust collection is great, so you won't have sawdust all over your shop. Since it is a larger drum sander, you can sand larger items, or you can feed more items at a time through your drum sander. Another nice feature is it has an oversized conveyor belt that is 22 inches, so if you are sanding larger items, it'll support it while you're running it through the drum sander. Set up right now, the drum sander does have the optional in-feed and out-feed tables, which really helps if you're feeding larger material through this larger drum sander to help support it when you're running the material through. That is part number SUPMX-71938-7F. Since it is a heavy cast iron design, the stand does have optional casters if you need to move it around your shop, and that is part number SUPMX-98-0130. Those attach right to the bottom of your stand, and you're able to move the sander around. If you don't want it in one stationary place in your shop, you can move it around easily on those casters. Another great feature about this drum sander is it does have a variable speed conveyor belt, so when you're feeding material through, you can set the speed. It also features something called a telesand, so if you do have it set too high or too low, it will automatically adjust the speed so you don't have any burning on your material. The abrasive conveyor belt also allows raw wood to stick a lot better to the conveyor belt when you're running material through the drum sander. On the front of the drum sander, there is a depth gauge, and it actually comes with imperial or metric depending on what you want for your machine. You can switch that out depending on what you want. Go ahead and open the lid up for the actual drum sander. You just push that in, raise it up. A unique feature about this drum sander, as the drum does have a self-cooling feature, so it keeps your abrasives nice and cool when you're sanding a lot of material. Another feature that's great is the quick change for your abrasives, so it's quick to change out your grits in and out, or if you just need to replace your sanding belt on your machine. It also features a 4-inch dust port coming out of the top, and you can run it to your dust extractor. The 1938 drum sander has an easy height adjustment, and there's a thrust bearing below the handle and a nut position above that prevents the drum from moving from the set position when sanding. There is a flatness guarantee, as this machine has precision flattened steel conveyor bed reinforced with 4 steel cross sections for no flex in the conveyor, guaranteeing flatness to less than 10 thousandths across the width of the sander. This drum sander will be a great addition to any woodworking shop. And with that, that'll conclude our look at the Supermax 1938 drum sander, part number SUPMX-71938-D.